Today we're going to do an oil change on a 2013 G37. Alright, let's go ahead and get started and lift the car up. Alright, so I'm not too sure which side the drain plug is at, but we do have to remove this cover. So I went ahead and lifted it up just from the support of the frame, and I put a jack stand to secure it. And let's go ahead and remove this panel from here. It looks like it's going to be a 10 mil, so let me go ahead and get that started. Alright, so there it is. I wasn't able to get one off. It's just spinning freely, but that should give us enough access. Look at our plug is on that side, thank God. We don't have to drop the car and lift it back on the other side. And there's the oil filter. Oh, sorry, I'm tired. It's a Saturday. It's supposed to be my day off, but I'm here at work. So let's go ahead and start draining the oil. Alright, and we're going to be using a 14 mil. Don't want to focus. But anyways, we're going to be using a 14 mil to go ahead and break this loose. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There it is. And hopefully she don't go far. Make a mess everywhere. Here we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and just let that drain. I could probably that's pretty tight. So I'm gonna grab my tool to loosen up this oil filter. I could probably do it with a rag. It's just that my hands are full of oil. But let's go ahead and remove that filter and let it drain as well. Then we'll just wait for everything to finish draining and cap everything, replace the filter, and add oil. One thing I forgot to mention is if you open this, golly, that's tight. That allows it to breathe and it executes the oil faster. Sweet. Alright, I'm going to use this tool to loosen up the filter. So what you do is just clamp it on, like so, grab it, and twist. There it is. It's loose already. Let's just go ahead and let that drain. Bottom one's almost done. There it is. Go ahead and let that drain completely. We'll cap everything off. Put a new oil filter. Here's the part number. I don't know if you can see it in that angle. It's S6607. And it's almost there. That should be good enough. Let's go ahead and put in the new filter. Make sure the old ring did come off. What I like to do is also smudge a little bit of oil around the seal. That way it creates a nice, good seal. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Grab our little towel and make sure that's nice and tight by hand. Still waiting for this to finish draining, then we'll cap it. Alright, that should be good enough. It's just a small little stream. Oh, let's go ahead and cap it back on. Alright, let's go ahead and secure it with a 14. Not too tight. There it is. Sweet. And let's put this cover back on. Alright, once you have the top secured, let's go ahead and lower the car down. Nice and slow. Alright, so let's go ahead and top it off with our oil now. Alright, so this takes 6 quarts of 5W30. So I'm going to start with the single. Just pour that sucker in there. And here's our 5 gal. Or 5 liters, 5 quarts. Let's go ahead and open this one and get it ready. Alright, sounds like this one stopped already. Now I'm going to need both hands to do this one. I have the whole engine bay apart because I am in the process of changing out the batteries. Where is the replacement? I don't know where this is. I left it. Anyways. Oh, there it is. Just made a video of how to remove it. Now I'll make a video of how to install it. But in the middle of changing the oil as well. So let's go ahead and pour that in there. And you should be set. Alright, and there it is. And after you're done, what you do is you grab your funnel, stick it in here, pour the old oil into here, take it to your auto parts store and recycle it. And cap this off, and you are set. And that is how you do an oil change on a 2013 G37. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.